Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to turn off the vibration, okay, or how to reduce the vibrations of this controller while you play this while you play in the PSPortal. So basically, right, you can just slide like this, or you can press this PS button. If you have updated, right, the latest version, so the PS button will also work. So what you need to do is you need to just come down, okay, come to settings and come to system, and here, right, sorry, you need to go to controller. So my vibration intensity is strong, so if you want to turn it off, right, so that you can save some batteries if you're playing some games. So also, right, in the trigger effect also you can turn it off. So that's your friends, now you can play the game. So this is the way you can turn off the vibration intensity, or even you can make it change to weak or medium, like that. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to my reforms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.